Latest studies also stress the effectiveness of certain herbs as a natural remedy for sciatica. Experts believe that turmeric can relieve sciatica pain. Most experts agree that curcumin, an active ingredient in turmeric, can be used as a tonic to reduce chronic inflammation. The best way to consume turmeric is by adding it to some warm milk and coconut oil. Some people like adding a tiny bit of black pepper. Fun fact: piperine, found in black pepper, stimulates the absorption of nutrients. Enteric-coated curcumin capsules with piperine also optimize absorption and relieve pain. Make a nice cup of turmeric tea. You can add turmeric to your dishes or make a thick paste and apply it topically. Turmeric decreases levels of inflammation-fueling enzymes. Turmeric decreases levels of certain inflammation-fueling enzymes, and thus relieves sciatica pain and swelling. The recommended daily intake of turmeric is 300 mg for adults, 3 times a day. You may need to adjust the dosing if you are taking certain medications. Turmeric supplements sometimes contain bromelain and may increase the anti-inflammatory effect. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic treatments for centuries. People have used it to treat arthritis, due to its efficacy in reducing inflammation, which is often the cause of sciatica and/or low back pain. Turmeric has also been used in traditional Asian medicine. Malaysian scientists believe that turmeric extract relieves nerve-related pain. Turmeric is better than NSAIDs. In scientific terms, turmeric is a selective COX-2 inhibitor. COX-2 and COX-2 are enzymes that start off inflammations in the body. COX-1 is the good one because it has a housekeeping role and protects the stomach lining. COX-2 increases inflammation. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like aspirin, ibuprofen, and naproxen, are not selective and inhibit both enzymes to stop inflammation. These drugs disrupt COX-1, which may cause stomach problems over time. Turmeric is unique because it is selective and inhibits COX-2 only. Over the last 10 years, drug companies have been trying to create a selective COX-2 inhibitor, but why would you take medications instead of completely healthy food or spice with no side effects? The cost difference between medications and spices is huge. Fortunately, turmeric is easier on both your body and wallet.